God. Look at that. Look at that brookie. We're finally going to get Adam his 20-incher here. Here you go.
What are those?
Put the quarter in, put your hand below just like a gumball. Toss a few in.
What are those?
They're trout, the rainbows. Giant ass steelhead.
That is crazy.
This is a spring from that goes to the river.
Really?
See right there?
Wow.
This is one of the main springs.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's so much fun. Put them somewhere where they're not so they go streaking for it.
They're real dark.
Look at that shit. So those are rainbow trout there. And they keep them going the whole time. Look at that guy, huh? I mean, those are 5, 6 pound, 7 pound rainbows. Maybe even a little bigger.
I don't want to take it from my hand.
Ha ha ha!
Whoa. Jesus, that's crazy.
That's something. Well, folks, Adam and I are here today at mid-afternoon. There wasn't much video of the last outing because as I tried to think about a plan B, I came out to the fishmobile completely dead. Would not start.
The heat probably zapped you.
And there was so much swearing in that video that it isn't even worth putting on YouTube. It's low. Oh, I like this one better. There he comes. There we go. Called it.
Yeah.
This is a good sign. Yeah, go ahead. It's a good sign. So here you are in that.
Ooh,
browns have to be 12.
Browns.
So you said you wanted to keep some fish. I'm going to keep one because I'm a bachelor eater tonight.
Ah. Bleeding from somewhere. But
I don't think he's 12.
let's go from the. Mine's on the right there. Up a little bit more. No, down, not right here.
Okay. And what does that say?
No, no.
Here.
What in the heck's going
Here.
on?
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he's 13 and a half, so let's get him some water. I think he's going to be fine. I would like to keep one a little bigger than that. So if you want to start keeping fish this early.
No. Here. From here.
Well, how about we use a reel? Oh, here.
No, right here.
Oh,
up to
I see.
12.
We were looking at some old thing that you
short.
had. Yeah, he's shy, so he's going to go. There he goes, folks.
You saw the 3 and thought it was 13.
Nice one.
Go ahead, there we got it.
Nice one.
Double.
Nice fish, Adam. Looks like another medium brown. Yep.
Skinny guy.
Well, remember, you can't keep that one.
Yeah, that's too small. But I got it pretty good too.
Yeah, but if he has it bad, you know, you got to throw him back no matter what. That's the.
Oh, it's not too bad.
Oh, good, because that's the law.
It was real good.
Nice fish.
Yeah.
Adam's off the board.
Yeah, good.
That is unbelievable. There's not a fish in that run. Now there's a fish in that run.
Yeah. Got it?
Yeah. And they're brown.
Boy, better get in gear.
Look at how yellow this guy is.
Last one was
He too looks just 12, and I want to fish bigger than that. Actually, he looks about the same size. Yeah. 11?
not too worried. I'm not like, don't
Yeah,
need one.
that was about 11-inch fish. Keep casting up that rut. Adam's in the spring right there. Does that water feel colder?
Yeah.
Oh, you're temping it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a spring. That's not an oxbow.
You can tell, see the different growing, weeds. I guess those are grasses coming in, but see how dark those are? And
Yep.
sometimes you can tell by when the vegetation changes like that, there's a spring. Yeah, so that's like 57 or so instead of 60. Might even be colder there. There, man.
Nah, lost fish. There you go.
Take that hold. Keep it on. There you go.
What do we got? Little brown. Fudge hooked. Little brown.
There?
Yep, decent one.
Okay.
Not a keeper though. Bronzed up. Look. Bronzed up one.
Hey.
He's just under. Guess I'm having leftovers.
Hey, we're not out yet.
There is some really good chicken. Pretty bronzed up brownie.
Like 10.
Yep. Oh, yeah. Shadow's pretty long. Just gonna have to fish the back part of it. Oh, biter. Big biter, bigger biter.
There you go. Oh,
Get him or no?
yeah. Here, help me out. Help me out. He's right here. He had his head. I didn't think I could need to hold him.
Yes.
There's a keeper.
That's exactly what I wanted.
Nice. With the hand save.
That is exactly what I wanted. A nice 14-inch brown.
Nice.
Nice
Good.
14-inch brown. That would be big
Nice,
fish.
John.
Whoa.
Whoa, get that baby.
Yeah, he ain't going nowhere.
I couldn't find my stringer. I was looking all around. Nice.
Yeah.
That was another. I was like, oh, they're gonna swipe and disappear.
There's more fish in there.
Good one, Ron.
There's quite a few more
Oh,
fish in there.
gassy.
Let it sink. Let it
It's deep
sink.
there, I know. I'm gonna scoop it a little bit. Nice one.
Easy, buddy.
That's neat on it.
Yeah, that's a great size fish. I'm gonna grill it. I have fish and chicken. If you can get over here, I don't know what that ground is like though, but if you can get there and cast to that bank and just let the whole thing sink practically. Yeah. Just let the whole damn thing almost sink. Yeah, sorry buddy, you can't reach the water.
Might have been a brickie.
Oh, there's a nice one. Swooped all the way up and then went back. There he is.
Ooh, that's brickie.
Oh, was it? Yeah, it was.
I was just gonna get my net.
It was a brickie, wasn't it?
It was, yeah. A little pink.
All right, folks. Well, what did you think of that outing, Adam? Why don't you take us out on the outro?
Good hike.
Good hike. I can agree with that. Not many fish, folks. So it's kind of hard to get a good understanding of how bad it is, but you know, caught some fish. Caught a beautiful 15-incher. Which I'm going to have for dinner. So, it's a couple nice holes there.